In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email to multiple recipients individually in Gmail. Sometimes you want to email a group of people, but you don't want everyone to see each other's addresses. Maybe it's for a newsletter, event invite, or a client update. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple way to do that using Gmail, so each person gets the same message, but it looks like it was sent just to them. First, open Gmail in your browser and sign in if you're not already. Once you're on your inbox page, look for the Compose button, usually in the upper left corner. Click it, and a new message window will pop up, either in the corner or as a full screen depending on your settings. This is where you'll set everything up. Next, in the To field at the top of that window, type your own email address. This might feel a little strange, but it's important. Gmail needs something in the To field for the message to send correctly, and using your own address keeps everything tidy and professional. You'll also get a copy of the email, which can be helpful for your records. Now let's add the people you actually want to contact. To the right of the To and CC options, you'll see a link that says BCC. Click on BCC and a new field will appear. This stands for Blind Carbon Copy, and it's what keeps your recipients from seeing each other's email addresses. In that BCC field, start typing the email addresses of everyone you want to send the message to. Separate each address with a comma. You can type them manually or select from your contacts as they pop up. Take a moment to double-check spelling here, because a small typo can mean someone doesn't receive the email. Once all your recipients are in the BCC field, it's time to write your message. Add a clear subject line that tells people what the email is about. Then, write the body of your email. Remember, this exact message will go to everyone on your BCC list, so keep it general enough to apply to all of them. When you're happy with your subject and content, review everything one more time. Your own address in the To field, your list in BCC, and your message. When it all looks good, click Send. Each person will receive the email individually and won't be able to see who else got it.